All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump into Module 9. It's still common fractions, and now it's just relating those fractions to division. So you can do it. I believe in you. Let's get started. It says, these two pizzas must be shared equally among 5 friends. How much pizza should each person get? Okay, Valentina drew a picture to show her thinking. So Valentina drew 2 different wholes, or 2 whole pizzas, okay? How many pizzas need to be shared? Well, how many pizzas are there? There's 1, 2. So there's 2 pizzas that need to be shared. How many people are sharing the pizza? Well, we just learned that, and they told us there was 5 people sharing those 2 pizzas, okay? So how much pizza in total will each person get? Well, if the red person gets this piece and this piece, they got 2 pieces out of how many total? Well, the denominator here is 5. Now, some of you might get confused and you might say, wait, there's 10 pieces, Mrs. Moyer. And that's not the right way of thinking. There's only 5, or your denominator here is 5 because your wholes are divided into 5 pieces, not 10. Okay, so it's 2/5. Okay, then this little raccoon guy steps in and he says, sharing among 5 is the same as finding 1/5. If 1 divided by 5 is equal to 1/5, then 2 divided by 5 is equal to 1/5 plus 1/5. That's equivalent to 2/5. And then a little trick that they want you to remember is the numerator tells the number of objects to be shared. So how many things are you sharing here? Well, you're sharing 2 whole pieces of pizza, okay? Then it says the denominator tells the number of shares, okay? How many times are you sharing it? Well, you're sharing it with 5 different people. So 5. So 2/5 is your answer to that story problem. Noah drew a slightly different picture to represent the problem. What is the same about his and Valentina's pictures, and how are they different? Okay, here's how they're similar. So Valentina and Noah still drew 2 different wholes. They have 2 different pizzas, okay? They also divided each piece of pizza up into 5 different pieces. Okay, here's how they're different. Noah chose to put the red person's portions together on the same pizza, whereas Valentina chose to separate them. Does that mean they have different answers? No, not at all. They still represent 2/5. Okay, so they still got the same answer. They just chose a different way of going about it. Now we're going to go ahead and try the step up. It says color the diagram to solve the problem, then write the missing numbers. 2 pieces of banana bread are shared equally by 3 people. How much of 1 whole slice will be in each share? So you've got your 2 different slices of banana bread, okay? Each slice is being shared among 3 people. So they want us to color it in to represent that. So I'm going to have person 1. They're going to be red. They're going to get this piece and this piece. Oh boy. Okay, person number 2 is going to be purple. They're going to get this piece and, oh geez, what? Sorry guys, not sure how that got carried away, but person 2 got this piece as well as this piece right here. Person 3, they're going to be green. They're going to get this piece as well as this piece. Voila. Now I've got 3 different people sharing 2 slices of banana bread. Okay? So over here it says how many slices were shared? Well, there's 1 slice, 2 slices. We decided that earlier. There's 2 slices of banana bread being shared amongst 3 people. Okay? So 2/3, or 2 divided by 3. And we just learned that 2 divided by 3 is the exact same thing as 2/3. I don't know if you remember, it's been a while since we talked about this, but we kind of learned that sometimes the fraction bar can represent division. Okay, so remember way back when we used to use this line and we used to imagine that it had said divided by? Okay, now that's all coming full circle. So now just imagine that this line is a division sign. So this would read 2 divided by 3. So 2 divided by 3 is the exact same thing as 2/3. Okay, that's your answer to this problem. Now, you've got 2 more over here that I want you to go ahead and give a try, and then 3, A and B as well. Do your best, and if you have any questions, I'd be happy to Zoom with you. Just let me know. You can email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.